Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 31st of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 14's testing, front testing for the predictions based on the option chain analysis. Without further ado, let's just get into this video. So the prediction was made on the 23rd or 24th for the week ending the 28th of March 2024, where the prediction was that Tesla should go down. If you are interested as to where these predictions are coming from, please go view my channel, where there are in-depth videos going over the option and technical analysis behind each of these predictions, and they are quite detailed videos. So if you want to know exactly where this up and down comes from, definitely go view. And this is a model that is obviously going to be refined over time, so this is just the results of the testing. However, where Tesla was predicted to go down, which was not the case whatsoever, since we ended up making a 7.03 point loss, which is a 4.17% loss, bringing our P&L down considerably and reducing our alpha to 35.29%. Although that's still a high value, this week was definitely one of the worst ones for Tesla. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.